Welcome to Apploye. In this video, you'll learn how to generate a custom report using the Apploye web dashboard. To begin, open the web dashboard. From the left-hand sidebar, navigate to the Reports section and select Custom Report. Then, click the Create Report button to start. Next, enter a name for your custom report so it's easy to recognize later. Choose whether you want the report to include all projects or only a specific project. After that, select the team members you want to include and set the appropriate date range. You can further customize the report by selecting the specific data you want to display, such as tracked hours, activity levels, or other relevant metrics. Once all settings are configured, click Create Report. After the report is generated, you can view it directly in the dashboard or export it as a CSV file for further analysis. That's it! You've successfully created a custom report in Apploye. If you need any assistance, feel free to contact our support team.